Okay, harvesting tomatoes is pretty simple. Unlike some of the other veggies we've been harvesting in the garden where we get out a pair of scissors and we cut the stem really close to the vegetable, we don't really need that for most tomatoes. Now, of course, you've got your tomatoes on the vine and things like that that you might want to leave on the vine, but you don't need to. You wait till they're a nice bright red. We've got some beautiful Juliet tomatoes here, and once they get pretty darn close to this or right at that bright red, you're simply going to grab them very gently and grab the stem, and you're just going to gently twist and they pop right off. Let's take a look at how to do this on both a Juliet and a cherry tomato. Now coming right on in here, pulling away some of our extra greenery, we can see we've got a nice red Juliet tomato. Now these down here are pretty close as well, but this one is really ready to go. So we can just take that, and it was so ripe it just kind of pulled right off. Very minimal splitting there, as you can see. Got a lot of rain recently, and when you get a lot of rain really suddenly, your tomatoes might start to split a bit, but we're still in good shape. And if it's a little bit less ripe, then you might have to give a little more of that twisting action. Otherwise, it'll pop right off. Same story with the cherry tomatoes. We'll pull away a little bit of these dead leaves and things on here. Nice bright red, and you can just gently twist them. Now, we got a bit more splitting happening there because of that rain, but that's probably still usable. Twist off a couple more. Beautiful. And those are in good shape. Ditch the scissors when you're harvesting tomatoes. All you got to do when they're nice and ripe is a gentle little twist. They come right off the vine, and they're ready for those delicious salsas.